Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure Bluetooth and location are on. This lets the phone communicate with the buds. Open SmartThings or Galaxy Wearable, then sign into your Samsung account so the device list appears. Once done, confirm your earbuds are listed and show at least some battery. A dead pair can't respond. If they are offline, keep moving, try a quick button press on the case to wake them. That can trigger a reconnect and allow the next locate steps to work. You now select the earbuds in the app and choose Find or Locate so the service starts. The map shows the last known location, which helps you target your search. Follow it, watching the signal strength indicator as you move. Then tap Ring. This sends a sound to the earbuds to guide you. Make sure to walk slowly and circle the area. The sound is louder when you're close, and the signal bar will climb to confirm proximity. You finish by using the last seen timestamp as a fallback. Retrace your steps right away because the location may be outdated. If ringing didn't work, open the case near your phone to trigger a reconnect. If they do reconnect then fail later, perform a factory reset from the app. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth, restart the phone, and ensure the app and earbud firmware are updated. These fixes resolve most connectivity and locating issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.